Today is the 20th of March 2023. We have Ulvilantie Uppsbyvägen 12 staircase we here in Munkkivuori, Munkshöjden. Close to Munkkivuori, Munkkivuori here. Helsingin for Suusaman and Finland investies. Where is it going now? No. I thought somebody was pressing it. But it's not here. The place for software.
Yeah.
But this they say was open. And the number is 62047, that age is unnecessary. It was bought by Helsingin Hissi in 1962, turned 60 years old in last year, 2022, but we expected this year, 2023. It was modernized in 2005. It turned 15 years old in 2020. And the buttons don't beep here, but they don't have to.
Inspected by Kone and maintained by Finland.
But the modernization was still unnecessary.
Yeah.
Because it was the where he's in Helsingin Hissi original. But those were rare buttons and lamp indicator.
Yeah.
But we filmed this from the same year, 1962, also in Kone and also in Ulvilantie.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much.
That's